This is ID Life Skills formatting an Excel table. Let's begin by opening up the first column, and then we're going to enlarge each of the rows by picking them all at one time with the left buttons. Here we're going to start putting in our first title, which is the project type. We're going to put in residential, office, hospitality, and then finally, we're going to put in healthcare instead of medical. Then we're going to grab the top of the B and C columns. When we grab it at the top and we get the whole column, we can resize both of them at the same time. And we're going to wrap the text. That's just something that's going to save us a little time. And we're going to format all of that at the same time. Now we're going to put in two titles here. One is wood floor economical option, and the next would be wood floor luxury option. I'm going to copy one cell to another to save me a little bit of time and replace the word I need. I can replace it directly in the cell or on the line above. If I have to go back in, I just need to double click in there. Now in these areas here, I want to be sure that I have the currency option selected so that it'll give me dollar signs and two after the decimal point. So we've got that formatted, and with dollars I usually like to set it to align all the way to the right because that's the way we're used to looking at columns of numbers adding up. So now I'm going to format the titles a little bit, and here I'm showing you for an example that we're going to put in the prices per square foot of each of those. Now, I'm actually not going to put in the words per square foot, and I'm going to show that to you in another video. But we're going to put square footage over here, and when you calculate the square footage of the floor plans that you're working on, you're going to put that number in this spot here. And we can see that we need to wrap the other, and we can use Format Painter to make that area look the same. Now, here's our square footage. This is just some pretend numbers at this time. Now, after you do all that, save it with your last name first, and we're going to call this the wood floor budget. And as we move forward, we'll have other budgets, and we may use this form for some other things, but this is how you make a custom form with the format of the text, how you like it. Now we're going to fix up the title to have all bold and even put some borders around everything. Now, I like to drag this, and I've directed you to drag this into a Word file. After I save it again, I'm going to scrape across all the cells that I want to take over there, and I'm going to do a Control-C and take it into my Word document. Thank you.